Hi, my name is Dan Cavani. I'm the president and owner of Timberland Supply. I'm doing a lot of work on my property up here in North Barrier area, just about an hour north of Kamloops. If you look around, I'll get the camera operator to pan around. We've taken a bunch of fir down. I'm standing in front of a big, beautiful white pine. Unfortunately, the top came off a couple years ago, so it had to come down. So we've been into some bigger wood, and it's been a really great opportunity to try out both these big saws that we've actually modified. These saws are both Bakerized. I've got a Husky 365 and I've got a MS 461 from Steel. Sort of old school and new school. The 461 is brand new. I found out of the box the Husky was out cutting it. The Husky does have a couple hours on it. Husky belongs to Koala Bob, one of our best customers. Koala Bob's an excellent forestry professional. He was kind enough to let me use his saw for a little bit of demo and also to get a feel for just how good our bakerizing process works.